Yo, what's up? Just got back out of school. Just got off the bus. Going inside to put my crap down. I'm probably gonna change shoes. Have football workouts in a little bit for high school. Be pretty fun. Got some dogs out here. Arrgh. I'm gonna keep. I know I don't have any subscribers right now, but I'm gonna keep grinding. So my channel will get more videos, some more videos will pop up for options. And hopefully somebody will eventually start subscribing, and then more and more and more and more. Oh. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna put some different shoes on. My room is a mess. A lot of a mess. Today we're gonna go check out the progress on Jake's house. It's coming on quick too. I'll cruise around. I wanna go take the freaking trap track on wheels, like that, cause guess what kind of Grey Coast is? I would take the dirt bike out there, but man, it's wet. And I got the key for it. Makes sense too. Little pitter. Oh. Yeah, I got braces. Not the funnest thing in the world. It ain't that bad. My mouth still is pretty sore from it, from whenever I try to eat and crap. And I got stuff like sticking on them. Have my friend Blaine coming over in a little bit. I think somebody's here. Nope, I was wrong. I could try starting this thing though. See if it'll start without a key. I'll set you guys up. Heck, dude. Yeah, I'll start. Give you guys a bit of a look at it. Oh, the chain's off, man. That's great. I wonder how that happened. Man, I gotta fix that. As you can see, the chain is off. Look. Now I gotta figure out how it come off. The heck? This would happen. I wonder how it come off right there. And then, bruh, somebody's gonna try taking the wheel off of this thing. Here's what I'm looking at. Alright, so you see how that is. You see the chain. You see two sides of the chain. That's not coming up past that. That's a problem. I'll take the wheel off of this thing. Get a few more goes at kicking it. Put a little tripod stand right here. Get the little thing out. And I'll set you guys up on the lawnmower. It'll be alright. Doesn't work. Alright, I'll just freaking bucket. Who cares? too big. There we go. That's perfect. Get the full view of the light. Lay it on the side. Now we gotta turn the gas off. There we go. Yeah, whoever done. Oh no, bruh. What's this? I didn't even notice that. Alright. This might be more simple than I thought. Put it off. The heck? Oh. There we go. Put the chain right through here like this. Oh man, it just fell out. Crap. Dang it. Okay. There's that. Didn't know it was gonna be that complicated taking my wheel off. Alright, now let's turn over this. And there we go. Okay, this chain's tight as crap. Here's what we're working with. This much slack. All of this. Really, to take it off, all you gotta do is this. Unscrew this. No, I'm doing this completely wrong. Do y'all see this? You gotta unscrew that. Hang on, I gotta set this down for a second. I want you to hold it and go for it. You gotta hold this and then untwist it. And then when this comes untwist, like so, take that out, take this out, come back up here, and pull this bolt out, and the wheel should just come right off. So, little tutorial for you guys on how to take this thing off, to fix the chain and tighten it, whatever you gotta do. Yeah, I'll hit you guys up with the next one.